South Korea's agreement with the United States to build nuclear-powered attack submarines is a development of enormous strategic significance, one that reshapes the nation's naval capabilities and strengthens its position as a key player in East Asia's security environment. Currently, South Korea operates a fleet of diesel-electric submarines, which are capable and modern by conventional standards but face limitations inherent to their design. Diesel-electric submarines rely on batteries for underwater propulsion, which necessitates frequent surfacing or snorkeling to recharge, making them vulnerable to detection. Their operational endurance is limited, their range is restricted, and their underwater speed is relatively slow compared with nuclear-powered submarines. Nuclear propulsion changes all of these constraints. With a nuclear reactor on board, submarines can remain submerged for months at a time without surfacing, travel at sustained high speeds, and operate at extended ranges. This fundamentally transforms how South Korea can project its naval power, respond to regional contingencies, and conduct both defensive and strategic operations far beyond its own coastlines. The technical and operational support provided by the United States is a key element of this agreement. Nuclear propulsion involves advanced engineering, reactor operation, and nuclear fuel management, all of which are highly controlled internationally. By partnering with the U.S., South Korea gains access to the technical expertise, operational knowledge, and nuclear fuel required to construct and operate these submarines safely and efficiently. This collaboration ensures that South Korea can integrate cutting-edge submarine technology while maintaining the highest standards of operational safety and effectiveness. Once operational, South Korea will join a very limited group of nations capable of fielding nuclear-powered submarines, placing it alongside the United States, Russia, China, the United Kingdom, France, and India. Achieving this capability elevates South Korea from a regional defense power to a nation with strategic influence, able to operate sophisticated and stealthy naval assets capable of long-term deterrence and rapid response. The strategic motivations for this program are deeply tied to the regional security environment. North Korea has been actively developing nuclear submarines and is expanding its broader nuclear weapons capabilities, creating a persistent and direct threat. At the same time, China's growing naval capabilities and increasing presence near the Korean peninsula heighten regional strategic competition. Nuclear-powered submarines provide South Korea with the ability to counter these threats through superior stealth, mobility, and operational endurance. Unlike diesel-electric submarines, nuclear-powered vessels can conduct extended patrols far from the home country, remain submerged without revealing their position, and maneuver quickly to respond to emerging threats. These attributes enhance South Korea's deterrence posture, making it difficult for adversaries to predict or counter its movements, and reinforcing the strategic credibility of both South Korea and its U.S. ally in the region. Building these submarines in South Korea is also a critical aspect of the program. South Korea possesses one of the most advanced shipbuilding industries in the world, and leveraging this domestic expertise ensures that construction can be completed efficiently and to the highest standards. Local construction shortens timelines, allows for quality control, and strengthens the national industrial base, including specialized engineering, nuclear systems integration, and advanced naval construction techniques. Beyond immediate defense advantages, the program fosters long-term technological development. Engineers and scientists involved in the construction and operation of nuclear-powered submarines will gain experience and skills that can be applied to future projects, both military and civilian. This knowledge transfer has implications for nuclear energy, precision engineering, advanced manufacturing, and national technological competitiveness. By building the submarines domestically, South Korea not only ensures operational readiness but also invests in its own long-term technological and industrial capabilities. From a strategic perspective, this program also significantly deepens the U.S.-South Korea alliance. The United States benefits from having a regional partner capable of operating advanced nuclear submarines, which expands the strategic reach and operational flexibility of combined U.S.-South Korea naval forces. These submarines can participate in joint exercises, conduct intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, and provide a rapid response capability that complements U.S. forces in the region. This alignment strengthens deterrence against North Korea, demonstrates the U.S.'s commitment to its allies, and extends American influence by ensuring that strategic partners have access to advanced military technologies. For the U.S., the deal also reinforces the broader regional security architecture, providing additional tools to maintain stability and counterbalance the growing military capabilities of China and North Korea in East Asia. Operationally, the introduction of nuclear-powered submarines will transform South Korea's naval strategy. Unlike diesel-electric submarines, which are limited in duration, speed, and stealth, nuclear submarines can patrol vast areas of ocean for extended periods, providing persistent surveillance and strategic presence. They can operate in distant waters, including those critical to regional trade routes and security interests, without reliance on friendly ports or refueling. This persistent presence enables South Korea to monitor potential threats continuously, gather critical intelligence, and respond swiftly to crises. Additionally, nuclear-powered submarines can carry more advanced weapon systems, including precision-guided missiles and torpedoes, allowing for both defensive and deterrent roles. The psychological impact of these submarines is also significant. The mere presence of highly capable, stealthy vessels acts as a deterrent against potential adversaries, complicating strategic calculations for North Korea and other regional actors. The implications of this program extend beyond military capability to economic and industrial benefits. The construction of nuclear submarines will create high-skilled jobs in shipbuilding, nuclear engineering, and systems integration, strengthening South Korea's industrial base and providing opportunities for workforce development. It will also drive investment in research and development, fostering innovation in advanced technologies that can have spillover effects into civilian sectors. The economic impact of developing and maintaining a fleet of nuclear-powered submarines is substantial, creating a sustainable, high-tech defense industry that reinforces national security while boosting technological competitiveness. This development also positions South Korea as a major regional player with strategic autonomy in maritime operations. By operating nuclear-powered submarines, South Korea gains the ability to independently patrol and defend critical sea lanes, project power when necessary, and engage in joint missions with the United States and other partners on equal footing. The program enhances deterrence credibility by demonstrating the country's ability to respond effectively to potential threats with modern, sophisticated capabilities. It signals to North Korea and other regional actors that South Korea possesses the means to conduct operations far from its own shores, maintain continuous surveillance, and deliver rapid, precise responses if required. This combination of endurance, stealth, and firepower ensures that South Korea can participate fully in shaping regional security dynamics. Over the long term, these submarines will become a cornerstone of South Korea's defense strategy. They will allow for more flexible naval doctrines, including long-term deterrence patrols, covert intelligence collection, and rapid deployment in crises. South Korea will develop training programs, operational procedures, and command structures designed specifically to maximize the advantages of nuclear propulsion. The knowledge and experience gained from operating these submarines will influence future naval platforms, missile defense integration, and allied coordination. In essence, the program establishes South Korea as a technologically advanced, strategically independent, and highly capable naval power, able to operate in coordination with the United States while also securing its own national interests. This agreement represents a major strategic shift. It is not simply a modernization of the existing submarine fleet but a complete redefinition of South Korea's naval capabilities, operational reach, and strategic options. By acquiring nuclear-powered submarines, South Korea gains the ability to operate undetected for extended periods, respond rapidly to regional threats, and participate as a fully capable partner in joint security operations. The partnership with the United States ensures access to the most advanced technology, operational guidance, and nuclear fuel, creating a strong foundation for long-term defense capability. The program enhances deterrence, strengthens the alliance with the U.S., develops high-tech industrial capabilities, and positions South Korea as a leading regional power with significant influence over maritime security in East Asia.